The 2025 Caterpillar pickup has garnered significant attention for its robust design and advanced features. However, several potential issues have been identified that prospective buyers should consider. 1. Service and maintenance challenges. Caterpillar's existing service infrastructure primarily caters to heavy machinery, which may not be equipped to handle consumer vehicles efficiently. This could lead to difficulties in servicing the pickup, similar to challenges faced by the International Scout in the past. 2. Market competition. Entering the consumer pickup market poses significant challenges, especially against established brands with dedicated sales and service networks. Caterpillar's success will depend on its ability to adapt to this competitive landscape. 3. Uncertain production status. There is skepticism about the actual production of the 2025 Caterpillar pickup, with some sources suggesting that the vehicle may not be real and could be a hoax. In summary, while the 2025 Caterpillar pickup presents impressive specifications, potential buyers should be aware of these concerns and monitor developments closely. For a more detailed review, you might find the following video informative.